friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Let's start today's video with this beautiful LiQWYD, the panda's paw. A very easy growing succulent, perfect for the beginners. I think this is what I say about this plant every time I show you. And this is my black ZZ or the raven, which is doing good. And now I have to wait for quite some time before it gives up a new shoot, and when the new shoot comes up, it looks really beautiful. Now this is my Pakupaitam, I think ovariferum. It is also called a moonstone, and this is the name that is very easy to remember. What I noticed is so many leaves have dropped from this area, and I was checking into the plant and this is what I spotted. I saw some aerial roots. That means I think I should put it into some bigger pot. I'll do that this weekend. Now this is my Echeveria pulvinate ruby, given to me by my sister-in-law Prakriti, and I am waiting for the winters to arrive so that the winter sun turns it ruby red and it justifies its name. This is Echeveria pulvinate ruby, although it is not ruby from any angle right now, but it is soon going to turn so. Moving on to our Calathea, the tortoise one. I'll give this plant the name tortoise because it is very slow growing. That's my Aglaonema lipstick, always a happy plant. It has turned bushy as well, and bushy in the sense actually it has given out 2-3 shoots and that have grown up. And this is my pinstrip Calathea, and let's name it the hare, because this grows very quickly. Every time I can see some new leaves rolled up which are ready to unfurl. Very easy growing plant. It can be kept indoors, and yes, if the walls of your room are light colored, it is going to look just wonderful. It's going to add to the beauty of your room. Now this is my Philodendron Brazil. Actually I had a big plant, I have actually, and from there I took a cutting and I have placed it in a pot. These plants look just wonderful if support is given, but I just want it to be bushy. And this is my Syngonium milk confetti. Actually I was checking the plant because it is one of my new plant, and yes, it is doing well. Just that one of the leaf got burnt as it is very hot and humid here, but I am keeping it tucked in between the other plants so that it gets enough air as well as it is not burnt by the direct sun rays. And they look so cute. And you know, once I show you my Syngonium, this chap always keeps looking at me, and this is it. I can see 1/4 of the leaf is gone. That has been done by the Mr. Caterpillar, and I was looking for the caterpillar but I didn't get. So thank you my friends for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.